Today we have the fire safety set from XTool. This is a fire set recommended for enclosed laser cut machines like the XTool M1. You can buy also the enclosures for other brands on the xtool.com. Alright, let's skip the unboxing. I already installed mine, and here's the first sensor that goes by the laser module. I run the cable on top of the track and it goes inside here all the way to the back. The other 5 sensors I put them right here on the cover so they will detect the flames. Now I run the cables here. I made a hole in here and put them some hot glue and run the cables on the back. The reason is because over the time I'm going to cut the wires and I don't want to do that. Here is the sensor module where you're going to connect all the sensor cables. And this is the firebox. Everything is very easy to follow. So this cable coming from the module, it's going to be plugged right here. Also comes with a smart switch in which we are going to connect our laser machine. Now I'm gonna plug the fire set, and we have the green lights. Also the green light here on the test position. Don't forget to use the USB-C cable to connect it to the computer and update the firmware. Once we updated the firmware, we are going to connect the smart switch. Just turn it on, and to make sure, we're going to press this button right here. Now it turns off. That means it's connected. The fire safety set comes with 4 CO2 tanks, and we're gonna put it right inside here. Very easy to follow. Now the fire safety set, it does have auto flame detect, auto alarm trigger, auto power cut, and auto fire put off. Alright, now let's put the cap on. And the next step, you need to put from the test position to the on, so you need to turn the switch up. This tiny switch on the back goes up. And we have a blinking light. If you see that this light doesn't stop, you just press this button and it's ready to go. Of course, it's after you update the firmware. The last step, I put this little hose coming from the fire safety box. I made a hole on my XTool M1 and put it in here. I do have a fire extinguisher here just in case, so do not attempt to just start a fire. This is just a demonstration. We are going to start a fire with this piece of wood, and remember, do not attempt. So we have a fire extinguisher and everything is ready to go, so we can test the sensors. At this stage, you can turn it off by pressing this button. So you have control of the fire before the CO2 gas fires up. Let's keep an eye on this. Oh man, I need to do another test. Ooh, they are cold. Freezing. These are the new ones and we are going to install them. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the A and we're going to put 2 empty ones in here to do a test. Let's see if it works. So if we're gonna save some bottles, CO2 gas, we are going to leave the empty ones on the ports B. There's the B. And we are going to install the new ones on the A ports. Alright, another test. Remember, if your laser machine catches fire, we're going to light up these woods again to see how it works. Excellent. This is definitely a lifesaver. If you have your machine, you need something that saves you from a fire. So if you're spending a lot of money on your machine, I definitely recommend you to get the fire safety set. The smart switch went off, so which is good. It cuts off the power from the machine. Alright, everything is working perfect. So get yours. Link is in the description as always. And we are going to do another test soon. The fire safety set, really good, thumbs up. You need to get it. Definitely get it, guys. It's recommended.